Every little part of where you look is just so magical. It's the combination of art and the botanical world coming together, like walking through a fairy tale.
Everything's beautiful as it is. The trees here, it's wonderful.
I just loved it. The light came out of the building and it was like goosebumps. Yeah, it was really good.
You see things you never would have looked at before.
Yeah, it was a real different perspective.
Especially having something cool in winter, you know, so much is going on in March, July, just as good.
You have to come and experience
You've got to come and experience. You've got to stand amongst it. You've got to breathe in the air, everything.
It is like absolutely world class.